December 6, 1917. In the quiet harbor of Halifax, Canada, life began as usual. Fishermen prepared their nets, children walked to school, and workers moved along the bustling waterfront. No one imagined that within minutes, this peaceful harbor would witness the largest man-made explosion before the atomic age. Halifax was not just a port, it was a lifeline for the Allied forces in World War I. Ships carrying food, weapons, fuel, and soldiers passed through the harbor every day. On that morning, a French ship, SS Mont-Blanc, slowly approached the harbor entrance. Its cargo, TNT, picric acid, gun cotton, and benzol, a highly flammable fuel. A floating bomb, disguised as an ordinary merchant ship. At the same time, a Norwegian vessel, SS Imo, was leaving the harbor. Running behind schedule and moving faster than usual. Two ships, one narrow channel, both on a collision course. At 8:45 a.m., Mont-Blanc and Imo finally met. Confusion over right-of-way rules caused both ships to turn the wrong direction. Their hulls scraped each other. A seemingly minor collision, but sparks fell onto Mont-Blanc's deck, igniting its benzol barrels. Flames shot up instantly. Realizing the danger, the crew abandoned ship, desperately rowing toward shore while shouting warnings. "Get away, she's going to blow." But the people of Halifax did not understand. A burning ship in the harbor was alarming, but no one imagined it held thousands of tons of explosives. Crowds gathered along the shoreline, watching with curiosity. At 9:35 a.m., the burning Mont-Blanc erupted with the force of 2.9 kilotons of TNT. A fireball rose over the harbor. A shockwave flattened buildings within a 2-kilometer radius. Windows shattered up to 80 kilometers away. A tsunami swept into the waterfront, washing people and debris back into the harbor. Nearly 2,000 people died instantly or within hours. More than 9,000 were injured. It was the biggest human-made explosion ever recorded. Until Hiroshima. Entire neighborhoods, Richmond, North End, the waterfront, were destroyed. Rescue workers struggled through smoke, fire, and collapsed buildings. Hospitals overflowed. That night, a snowstorm hit Halifax, burying survivors under freezing temperatures. Yet help arrived from far away. Boston, over 700 kilometers away, sent doctors, nurses, and supplies. A friendship between Halifax and Boston began. One still honored today with an annual Christmas tree from Nova Scotia. Who was responsible? Courts launched inquiries. Some blamed the Imo for speeding. Others blamed Mont-Blanc's captain for not signaling the dangerous cargo. In the end, no single person was fully convicted. The disaster was not just human error, but the result of wartime pressure, poor communication, and a harbor stretched beyond its limits. The Halifax explosion changed the world. It led to new international rules on shipping hazardous materials. It transformed emergency planning for cities. And it remains a powerful reminder of how a single moment can alter the fate of thousands. Today, the Halifax Memorial stands in the rebuilt city, honoring the victims of December 6, 1917. The Halifax explosion is more than a historical footnote. It is a story of tragedy, survival, courage, and the unpredictable cost of war.